Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program that invoke a given function after specified milliseconds. So given a milliseconds as input to the Python program and given a user defined function, so you have to invoke this particular function after a delay of this specified millisecond. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So first let me take the delay variable or delay function. So let's import the sleep from the time module. So let's take from time. So let's import the sleep function. Yeah, so this is a function that I'll be using it for delaying purpose. So let's use this function, that is we have imported. So now I need that is a variable in order to store the milliseconds. So let's take a variable that is milliseconds equals to. So let's use the input function and ask a user to enter the delay in milliseconds. So let's say enter delay in milliseconds. Yeah, so once the user enters the that is input, so that will be of type string. So let's convert it into a floating point value using the type conversion. So let's use a floating point type, and once we get the input variable, that is milliseconds, so let's use a delay function in order to sleep. So let's take sleep function, and you can see the sleep function takes an argument in the seconds. So we have the seconds, that is value in milliseconds. So we need to convert it into a second. So inside the, that is we have to convert a millisecond into second and give as a argument. So let's take the variable milliseconds and divide it with the 1000. So this will be of type seconds. So we have converted the millisecond into a second because the sleep function accepts only in seconds. So once we are done getting that is delaying the program execution, so let's define some function. So that is a given function, that is this may be a user defined function. So let's say define, that is a sum underscore function. So let me define a simple function in order to print some message. So let's say printing after delay. So this will just print a message, that is printing after a delay, and it exits. So this is the function body, and yeah, so now after a delay, so let's call the function, that is sum underscore function. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to ask a user to enter the milliseconds and then invoke a function, that is user defined function over here, and exit the program. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter a delay in milliseconds. So let's give something like 10. So 10 milliseconds is nothing but the 1 by that is 10 by 1000 seconds. So you can see the program has been exited within 1 second, and it has been printed the message, that is printing after a delay. So let me close it. So now let me re-execute it, and in order to understand this perfectly, so let's give something like 5000. So 5000 is nothing but a 5-second delay. So we will be counting until 5, and let's see how the program behaves. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you can see at the 6th second, so this has been printed. So 5000 is nothing but a 5-second delay. So let me close this. So let me re-execute it, and now so let's give something like 10,000. So 10,000 is nothing but a 10 seconds delay. So let me execute it, and at the same time, so let me count it up to 10 seconds. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. and 11. So you can see the program has been, that is a function has been called after the 11th second, that is at the 11th second. So it has been printed. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that invokes a Python function at a specific millisecond. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.